Winter is here, and with it comes a chance to enjoy delicious, seasonal superfoods that can help you stay healthy and shed some pounds. In today's video, we're exploring the top winter superfoods available in the USA, UK, and Canada, and how they can boost your weight loss journey naturally. Eating seasonal superfoods means better nutrition, lower costs, and a positive impact on the environment. Locally grown foods are fresher, more nutrient-packed, and help you stick to a healthy lifestyle. Let's dive into some of the top winter superfoods you'll want to add to your grocery list. Kale is high in fiber and low in calories, perfect for soups and salads. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene and keep you full longer. Pomegranates are antioxidant-packed and great for metabolism. Brussels sprouts are filled with vitamin C and fiber. Beets are detoxifying and boost stamina. And don't forget citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. They're great for immunity and fat burning. Incorporating these into your meals is easy. Add kale to smoothies or make crispy kale chips. Roast sweet potatoes as a side dish or snack. Sprinkle pomegranate seeds in salads or yogurt. Roast beets for a sweet and savory dish, or juice them for an energy boost. And start your day with a refreshing citrus fruit smoothie. From kale and sweet potatoes to zesty citrus fruits, these winter superfoods are not just healthy, they're absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on healthy living. Let me know in the comments which superfood you'll try first.